right, those are just our cut green beans. Now I've got my family size cream of mushroom soup here. We are just making a super easy side dish. This is perfect for the holidays, small portions. I don't know about you, but my family, not huge vegetable eaters. They're more fans of stuff like the turkey and the ham, the stuffing, the cranberry. But if I dress up some delicious little vegetables here and kind of add a bunch of flavor to them, they do love that. And this is one of those recipes that I know is a surefire hit with everyone. Alrighty, I've got some real bacon bits here. Now, of course, you can just cut your own bacon if you'd like. You can cook it from scratch and then just chop it into smaller pieces. But we're doing this the quick, easy way today. Maximum flavor, minimum time. And so I'm just using our little real bacon bits. Alrighty, we've got to season this baby up. And here is a blend of salt, pepper, and garlic. Ooh, and I just love these Kinder seasonings. Y'all, I am on the lookout for the pot roast packet. It's kind of like the packets of taco seasoning, but it's for a pot roast. So if anyone sees it, let me know where you see it, because I've got to get that one. Smells amazing. Alrighty, now I'm gonna just top this with some sharp cheddar. I don't know about you, but cheese always belongs with the holidays in my home. I am a cheddar girl. I just love it. I think it flavors so well with that cream of mushroom soup, our bacon and green beans. But don't worry, we're not done yet. Like I told you though, we are taking this to Flavor Town, as Guy Fieri would say. We are adding such a punch of flavor in with these delicious little green beans. Taking it to Flavor Town, baby. Now, you can't have the holidays without crispy fried onions. Ooh la la. I am just gonna top a little bit of these on top of each one of our little muffin holes here. They're just gonna stick right to that cheese on top, make a nice crunchy texture when you bite into them, into your mouth. A couple of big onions there, so I had to get those out of the way. Those are almost like the size of a potato chip. That's crazy. But yes, they go perfectly with green beans. Can't have a holiday without your green beans and your French fried onions. Alrighty, we're gonna pop this into our oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. Alrighty, y'all, our mini green bean casseroles are ready to be enjoyed around the dinner table for Thanksgiving or Christmas. And here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna get my spoon in here. And we can just pop out an individual little serving like that, just like a bird's nest. And speaking of little birds, a little birdie told me that my friend Justine loves green bean casserole. Justine, do you want to give this a try?
Yeah.
Oh my, this smells so good and it has everything I want in it. I think this is the best recipe you've ever made.
The best one, y'all. You gotta try it.